Today we're going to learn how to upgrade the instrument with the latest versions of software available from the ptf website. There's two phases to this. First of all, download the software from the website into a local computer, and then secondly, from the local computer we transfer that to the instrument and upgrade the software. In order to transfer the software you will need a TFTP server, and I will also show you how to download and implement that. So here's the first stage, downloading the TFTP server. First of all, we're going to pull up the index page on the instrument. In this case our web address is 192.168.0 and 10. So let's just put that in, 192.168.0.10. There we go. Okay, so this is the index page being served up by the instrument, and here you see there are some useful buttons which allow us to check for updates, go and get the instructions for upgrading the instrument. There's a comprehensive set of instructions on the website, and also to get a TFTP server. So first of all, let's look at the TFTP server, and we're going to save that. And now we're going to look at the downloads folder, and here you see TFTP zip. Okay, we're still running a scan on it. Okay, now we go to the downloads folder, and here you see this is actually the second time I've downloaded it. So if we want to install this, we actually just double click on here. We see there's an executable, double click onto that. Yes, we do want to allow it. And now you'll just go through this setup wizard, which will take you through installing the TFTP server. I'm not going to do it now as I have already got that installed on this computer. So let's come out of this. So now the next step is to go to the website and see if there are upgrades available. So let's check for updates. That takes us straight to the 3207A folder, and here you can see the various versions of software that are available. Actually the one that we want is a DGGO, which is here, and you see there's version 8 available, so we're going to download that. Okay, we look in the folder, make sure it's there, and there's our file. So this is the file that we're now going to transfer to the instrument in order to upgrade it to the latest version of software. Now before we can do that, one important step that you should be aware of is that we need to make sure that the firewall on our computer is set to allow the TFT program to transmit through it. So let's go to the control panel, and then we go to System and Security, and on here somewhere we're going to find Allow Program Through the Firewall. Okay, here we go. So now, actually, if we come down here, we should find this has already been enabled because we had installed the system before. So here you see the Windows TFTP server and the TFTP server here. So we need to enable both of those. They're both allowed to go through the firewall. If we want to actually, if you haven't done this yet or you're not familiar with it, I will just take you through the steps. First of all, you click on Change Settings, and then you click on Allow Another Program. Okay, and now it's going to give you the opportunity to browse for the program. So here you can see these are actually the in the SolarWinds TFTP folder. These are the two programs that we've actually already allowed through the firewall. You just click on each of these. You have to do it twice. First click on this one, open that, and that will enable that one, and then you come back again, you browse through again, and you click on this one, and that will allow the TFTP server to work correctly. So I'm going to cancel this as we've already done that. Okay, close this. So now we're ready to upgrade the instrument with the new software, and that will be done in a second video. So we close this one out, and you can see stage 2